Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a really short video for you. I just wanted to show you a simple add-on for selecting your nodes based on the links between them. This add-on has 4 little tools and they are as simple as they come. And here under the preferences, you can see that you can set the shortcuts for these 4 tools. And these 4 tools are select downstream one step, select upstream, select upstream one step. And this is how it works. If you select downstream, you will select all the nodes that are downstream from the selected node. So if I select this node, all these nodes are going to get selected, as you can see. You can also select downstream one step, which is like this. So you select just one step down. Or you can select upstream. So if you select upstream, it will go all the way to the top, or you can select upstream with just one step. And that is practically it. There's nothing more to tell you. It's so simple, but it's a lifesaver for me. I use it all the time, and you can download this add-on from the link in the description. And this add-on is not free, but its price represents just a small token of your support that helps to keep this channel alive and keeps me motivated to keep working on giving you all the bigger add-ons that I've already created and the ones that are in store for the future. So have a nice day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.